Welcome to my daily HR metrics series by Nicolas Behbahani.
Take a look at this. A two-ton machine navigating the busy, unpredictable street in the US cities without a single human hand on the wheel. The job of the driver is disappearing right before our eyes. And for many people, watching a car drive itself is like a warning sign, a signal that AI and automation are coming to replace us. But welcome back to this summer edition of our daily HR metrics series. Today, I want to reframe this fear because the empty driver's seat isn't a tragedy. It's an evolution when a machine takes over the mechanical, predictable, and repetitive task. It forces an organization to ask the most important question in the future of work. What is uniquely human? Automation doesn't just replace it. It elevates. A machine can calculate the fattest routes, but it cannot negotiate a complex business deal, lead psychological safety in a team, or lead a workforce through a crisis. The jobs of the future won't be built on execution. They will be built on empathy, complex judgment, and human ingenuity. But as HR leaders, we cannot just hope our workforce makes this transition. We have to mathematically measure our commitment to helping them get there. If a job is disappearing, what are we doing with the human who used to do it? Human Ingenuity Investment Rate, HIIR. To track this transition, we use the Human Ingenuity Investment Rate, or HIIR. Here is how it works. You take the budget you are spending on training, uniquely human skills, leadership, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving, and divide it by your total learning and development budget. If your HIIR is below 40%, for example, your company is still training people to act like machines. And as we just saw with the Waymo car, the machines are already better at being machines than we are. We need to stop preparing our people for the jobs of yesterday and start investing in the human ingenuity required for tomorrow. Audit your L&D budget this week. What is your HIR? Are you training execution or are you training for ingenuity? Let me know in the comments below. Hit subscribe and catch a new HR metric every single day this summer. And remember, the data is waiting to tell you a story. Are you ready to listen? See you tomorrow for another new HR metrics.
For your daily dose of learning, people analytics, make sure to like and follow my YouTube and LinkedIn page at Nicolas Behbahani.